Meaning of hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up.
Hold up. Hold up can mean a delay or interruption in an activity, progress, or schedule. It can also refer to a type of robbery where a person or group stops others in their tracks and demands money or valuables. In general, hold up has a negative connotation as it implies an inconvenience or danger to the affected parties. The impact of a hold-up can range from a minor inconvenience to a serious threat to both physical safety and financial security. Therefore, it is essential to take preventive measures and remain vigilant in avoiding these situations.